Good morning 9th class students. In previous class, in sense organs, I explained about eye and also I explained how to draw the diagram of eye. Once again I repeat the topic. Eye consists of majorly three layers, that is sclera, choroid, retina. Sclera, first layer, second layer is choroid, third layer is retina, and also we can find out in retina we can find out two types of cells, that is called photoreceptors, rods and cones. Okay, 125 rods will be 125 millions of rods will be 7 millions of cones will be. Defect in rods causes night blindness. Defects in rods, cones causes color blindness. Now I will explain about yellow spot present in eye. The part where more cones are present, that is called yellow spot. Here we can find out best vision. Why? Because there are more cones in the yellow spot of eye. This is very helpful for best vision. Do you know cones helpful to distinguish colors, and rods cannot distinguish color. Rods helps to see objects during night time only. That's why all objects at night time appear grey color due to the help of rods. Now blind spot, the place where no rods and cones, that place is known as blind spot. Where optic nerve, already explained in previous class, where optic nerve arises from the eye, there we cannot find out any rods and any cones. That place is called blind spot. There we cannot find out any vision. So the place where we cannot find out rods and cones, where optic nerve arises, known as blind spot. Optic nerve carries vision information from eye to brain. If you will observe in brain, we can find out several sensory regions. There the information is analyzed and releases responses. In that brain we can find out sensory region of eye, ear, nose, skin, tongue, like vision information, hearing information, taste information, and smell information, and touch information regions will be present in a brain. So there we can find out some responses due to some actions. Now diseases of eyes. First one is color blindness. Color blindness. The person cannot distinguish different colors. This is due to cones defect. If cones are not present in eyes, that person leads to cause color blindness. Cannot distinguish colors. Second one is night blindness. Night blindness. Night blindness means this is due to rod's deficiency. The person cannot see objects during night time. That is called night blindness. This is due to defects in rods. And third one is xerothalamia. Xerothalamia, also called as dry eyes. Do you know? Tears also very helpful to human eye. Tears helpful to remove dust particles and kills harmful bacteria, and also tears also helpful to keep our eyes bright. If lacrimal glands does not secrete tears, if lacrimal gland does not secrete tears, that condition is called dry eyes. Tears very helpful to us. Tears helpful to keep our eyes bright. If you observe some people, we cannot find out any tears. This lacrimal gland does not secrete tears. This condition is called xerothalamia or dry eyes. Fourth one is myopia. Myopia, also called as short-sightedness. And fifth one is hypermetropia. This is long-sightedness. Short-sighted means if image formed in front of retina. If image is formed in front of retina, that is called myopia or short-sightedness. If image is formed back of retina, that is called hypermetropia. Myopia and hypermetropia. So, if image is formed in front of retina, that is called myopia, also called as short-sightedness. If image is formed back of retina, that is called hypermetropia, that is called longer sightedness. Sixth one is glaucoma. This is the eye disease. And seventh one is cataract. Cataract means suklal. In Telugu it is called suklal. So these are the diseases which related to eyes. Color blindness means the affected person cannot distinguish different colors. This is due to deficiency in cones. Second one is night blindness, cannot see objects during night time. This is deficiency due to rods. Xerothalamia, simply called as dry eyes. Lacrimal gland does not secrete tears. It causes a defect called xerothalamia. Myopia, short-sightedness, cannot see objects near long objects. In this image is formed in front of retina. Hypermetropia, image is formed on back of retina. Short-sightedness and long-sightedness. Glaucoma and cataract. These are the diseases which related to eyes. Now I will explain about taking care of eyes. For this, you have to open textbook, page number 83. Open page number 83. They gave one table to you. If you follow this instruction, in future you have to keep yes, otherwise you have to keep no. You know the saying, Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. Already explained in previous class. Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. Means, already we learnt about 5 sense organs, very important to us. They define as like eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue. In these 5, eyes are very important sense organs. Without eyes we can't do anything. That's why people saying like this, Sarvendriyana Nayana Pradhana. Anni indriyallo kella eyes anedi chala important. How you take care of your eyes? Let us observe the following checklist as your teacher how to get points. Now, all of you open page number 83 in NS textbook 9th class, and if you will follow that instruction you have to keep yes, otherwise you have to keep no. Wash eyes with fresh water at least thrice or 4 times per day. You have to wash your eyes with fresh water at least 3 or 4 times per day. This helpful to remove dust particles, or this helps to remove some bacteria present in the eyes. Keep the distance between book and eyes about 25 centimeters while reading. Some people will keep like this and read like this. This may affect your eyes. That's why while reading your textbook, keep your books at least 25 centimeters above your eyes. Do not give continuous stress and strain to the eyes. Stop work for some time whenever your eyes feel stressed. You don't give continuous stress to the eyes. The eyes may be affected. That's why you have to give some rest after some time reading. Eat food materials like green leafy vegetables, carrots, which rich vitamin A. Do you know? Vitamin A helpful for normal eyes. For normal functioning of eyes, vitamin A is essential. That's why you have to take rich vitamin A food materials. The rich food materials which contain vitamin A like mango, papaya, carrot, leafy vegetables like amaranth, totakura, spinach, palakura, methi, mentikura. All these are the leafy vegetables which contain high vitamin A. Work under good lighting. If you you have to work under good light. You have to read or writing anything. If you do any work, if you want any work, you have to do that work in good light. Don't rub your eyes. If anything falls in them, just wash the eyes immediately. Some people will rub like this eyes. If any dust particles fall on your eyes, don't rub the eyes. If any dust particles fell down into the eyes, you have to wash the eyes to remove dust particles or any germs present in the eye. Remove dust particles using tongue or ring blowing air. Some people will do like this. If you blow air means that dust particles may remove from your eyes, and sometimes use ring finger to remove eyes, or using tongue. Using tongue helps to remove dust particles which fall on our eyes. Consult an eye specialist immediately whenever you face any vision related problems. If any vision related problem, you have to consult a doctor. That doctor is called ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist means eye specialist. If any eye related problem there means you have to consult a doctor, specialized doctor known as ophthalmologist. And avoid to see lightning, gas welding, sparks, eclipse, etc. Lightning means merupulu. Gas welding, sparks, and eclipse. Eclipse means solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. Chandragrahamu, Surya. Why? Because on that time some radiation will be released from sky. This may lead to cause your eye problems. So everyone should follow all these instructions to keep your eyes healthy. Why? Because sarvendriyana nayanam pradhanam. In all sense organs, eye is most important sense organ. Again I repeat, take care of your eyes. Wash eyes with fresh water at least thrice or 4 times per day. Keep the distance between the book and eyes about 25 centimeters while reading. Do not give continuous stress and strain to the eyes. Stop the work for some time whenever your eyes feel stressed. Eat food materials like green leafy vegetables like amaranth, spinach, methi, which contain vitamin A like carrot, mangoes, papaya, etc. Why? Because these food materials contain vitamin A. Vitamin A is very helpful for good eyesight. Work under good lighting. If you want to do any work, either reading or writing or do any work, you have to do that work under good light. Don't rub your eyes if anything fall in them. Just wash the eyes immediately. Remove the dust in the eye by using tongue, ring or blowing air, etc. Consult the eye specialist called ophthalmologist. If any eye related problem there is, you have to consult the specialist called ophthalmologist. Avoid to see lightning, gas welding, sparks, eclipse, etc. Lightning means merupulu, gas welding, sparks or eclipse means solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So this is about caring of eyes. Okay, this is about eye. First sense organ in the 5, first one is eye completed. Next, in the next class, I will explain about second important sense organ, that is ear. Okay, thank you children.